So, gotta cut some curves. And I don't have a bandsaw. So, what I do is I rough it out with skill saw. Obviously, you're limited to your radius. Cut it out with skill saw. That's what they look like here. Then, I just make a template out of plywood. And then I run this giant router bit, 2.5-inch template bit, and run that along here. And there we go, look at that. Boom. Nice, smooth curve. Just got this center ridge to take out. Doesn't quite overlap. See that? Other than that, it's a very nice smooth curve. Hit it with a sander after and she's done. So there you go. 9 more to do.